This problem asks you to find it out the amount of work done onto in moving an object. So you're given an object and then you're given the force 2 and the distance, and you need to find it out how much work is done. So in this case you have to find it out the work done by the three forces F1, F2 and F3. Let's start with the F1 here. Okay, so how do we define? So if you remember, the work done on an object is equal to force F, this is the distance, and this is the cosine theta, the angle. It depends upon the angle between the force and the displacement or the distance. Now let's think about, so this object is moving along the inclined plane. Let's say we move from this point to somewhere here, and this is the D. This is the D. So if I am moving along this plane, the angle between this force and this displacement, the displacement is along this direction. So this is the displacement. So this, in this case, the angle theta is 0 degree because it is moving along with the force. Okay. So for number 1, work done due to the force F1 times D times cosine theta. What is the force F1? F1 is 20 Newton. The distance D is 0.6 meter. It's given here, 0.6 meter. 0.6 cosine. What is the angle? For this force, the angle is 0 degree. So cosine 0 is 1. So the answer will be 12 Newton. It's pretty simple. And now let's do with the force F2 now. For the F2, this is given as a F2 times D times cosine theta. So we're finding out this work done, F2 D cosine theta. What is the force F2? It is 40 Newton. The distance is 0.6. The cosine angle. Now we need to find out the angle. You see, the displacement is along the inclined plane, and the angle between the force and the displacement is 30 degree. So in this case, the angle is 30 degree. So if you do your math, 6 times 4 is 24. So this one would be 24 times cosine 30 degree. If you do your math, then this one will be 28.8 joule. Oh, my bad. This one has to, this is work done. So this is the joule. The answer will be in joule. Okay? And now number C. Work done by this force is equal to F3 D times cosine theta. So you see, what is the angle now? Between this force and the displacement, this is 90 degree. So the force is 10 Newton, 10 times 0.6 times cosine 90 degree. And you know that cosine 90 degree is 0. So this is equal to 0. So if the direction between the force and the displacement is 90 degree, there is no work done.